Welcome to Quizzehub, your ultimate destination for brain-teasing fun.
Welcome to a new Would You Rather Sweets and Candies Edition. Before we start, be sure to subscribe. Which do you prefer, chocolate or gummy bears? Would you rather have Lollipops or Sour Patch Kids? Pick one, jelly beans or licorice. Do you prefer cotton candy or toffee? Which one would you choose, M&Ms or Skittles? Would you rather eat Reese's peanut butter cups or Twix? Pick one, Snickers or Kit Kat? Do you prefer Hershey's Kisses or Jolly Ranchers? Which do you like more, Haribo gummy bears or Swedish Fish? Would you rather have Ferrero Rocher or Lindt truffles? Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.